And we're back with another knife review. This week we're doing the Gerber FLATIRON. It's the larger version. I am C with Atlantic Knife, and we'll start off by telling you the specs of this blade. It is 8.375 inches overall. Blade length is 3.5. It is a 7 CR17 mauve stainless blade. Has a stone washed finish, so it will not show scratches. Handle length 4.875. Has a plain blade. It is a liner lock. The scales are aluminum. Stainless steel frame. Has an interesting little pocket clip. Looks like it'd be very durable. Has a cleaver style blade. The handle width at its widest point is 1.12. It's considered an everyday carry, a manual opening. Has a thumb hole, so you just loosen the pivot a little bit, flip it open easy. Has a very large finger choil, so you could actually get on that while you're cutting, chopping. This blade doesn't have a lanyard, but it does have the Gerber logo on the pocket clip. I have a lot of friends that just love the logo on the pocket clip. We'll show you how this blade cuts. Start off with some paracord. We'll do a pullback cut on this one. So it went there. We'll bring some jute out here. Cut it. Cut very easily. Grab a piece of cardboard. Like to cut through the whole blade. See how it cuts all the way down. It's got an interesting little, let's see if we can do a poke through here and cut on up. Wow, that went through very smoothly. Try that one more time. That cut pretty easily. So the FLATIRON, there are 4 different FLATIRON models. There is this model, which is the larger one, and then also another in this size that is kind of a black, I guess, with like a darker color. Then there are 2 smaller versions that are about 1/2 inch shorter, kind of like CRKT did with the Polar, where they have the XL and the, well, a lot of companies do it. Kershaw did it with the Natrix. So it gives you variation if you want to have a little bit larger blade. This one seems to fit my hand here. We'll show you the size of it. Told you it's about 8, I think 8.4 in length. We'll check that one more time. Yeah, 8.4, 8.375. So this is the Gerber FLATIRON, and I am C, and I want to tell you guys that if you're watching on IGTV, make sure you hit that like button and follow at Atlantic Knife. We do tons of giveaways each week, reviews, and post thousands of pictures of knives and what's going on in the knife industry. So if you're into knives and you're watching on YouTube, make sure you follow our channel or subscribe to our channel. We have approximately maybe 1,400 videos. We do a weekly show. Joel and I do. It's interesting, very funny. we bring to you the new knives each week. That way we can keep you informed. Once again, Gerber Flatiron, and I am C with Atlantic Knife, and I am signing off.